Hey guys, welcome to the ASP.NET MVC and Entity Framework Learning by Example project, and project is GNVS Shop. Okay, so and today in this video I would like to show you how to work with the character reports in ASP.NET MVC and Entity Framework. Let's get started now. Okay, so this one is the current website we are working on in this tutorial. And you go ahead to click on the order link here on the navigation. You can see here we have order listing. We contain all of the order in the system. So now I will guide you how to create a character report to exporting all of the order listing into a PSD file by using the character report. Okay, so let's open the Visual Studio project. And before you working with this project by using the character report in your project, so you have to install the character report for Visual Studio for the Visual Studio version. So I have did the previous video by guide you how to install the character report into the Visual Studio. So you guys can go to my YouTube channel and take a look into it and see how to do it. Okay, so now I'm assuming you are already installed the character report on your PC successfully for the Visual Studio. Now I go ahead to create a folder here. I will name it a report folder. My report. So now I right click on this one and create a report file, character report. Okay, you can close this one or you can click on this one and create add new item. So if you already install the character report successfully on your Windows PC, so it should display the reporting tab here in your Visual Studio. So you go ahead to click on reporting and select the character report here and enter the name. I will enter the name it is your order listing. Click on add button to finish. Okay, so on this page you go ahead to click on the add a blank report and OK button to finish creation. Okay, so on the left side here we have View Explorer panel. So you will go ahead to click on the data views and select data expert. You click on the project data to expand it, and under the .NET object click on the plus button here to expand the data structure under the .NET object folder. Okay, and now I want to export the order listing in the system, so I go ahead to select the order model here. It should be the model order. Okay, click on OK button. Yeah, so after that it has just created a dataset for the report. There are the GNVS shop online model order dataset for order listing report. Save it. Okay, so here you can see here we have the order listing report file. We have the report header, page header, detail, report footer, and page footer. Basically, we will enter some the information for the report on the report header, and so for the detail we will display the data of the report on the page header. Basically, if it contains some of the column information name, And the report footer will contain some summary information for the report. And the last one is the page footer, so it will contain some information in copyright or the paging feature here, how many pages will be displayed on the report, so it will display the page number, or you can put any information into a section. And the detail section here, so it will read out all of the data from the dataset into the report. Okay, so now go ahead to drag and drop the field from the left side dataset into the detail order ID here. So this one is the order ID, and the top is the field heading. There is a column name. Okay, save this one, and I will temporarily hide this one and come back to the solution browser, and I go ahead to open the controller. There is the order controller, which I have done the index action first in the previous video. So in the index action here, so it will return all of the order in the system, and we have specified 5 items on per page. So if the data is greater than 5 items, so we will display the paging feature. Okay, so now so now I go ahead to create a action. I will call it either export order listing. Okay, so now go ahead to work on this. We have to use some library of the creator reports. We load the reporting file. So we have to provide the path of the creator report in the project. So now just open the solution and copy the file and the path. Okay, so after that you have to set the data source for the creator report file. There should be we have a data context here on the top. We have db.order toolid. So we will export the data file into a PDF file. And meaning when user click on the export button, so we have to download the file from the server into the local PC. So after that you can open the PDF on the PC by using another tool which you support the viewing PDF. Okay. Okay, so now open the view of the order. It should be index. Okay, so if we open another and copy the format, it should be the product index. No. Order. There is the name of the hyperlink, and you enter name it either export order listing, and there is the action name. It should be export order listing. Okay, so now let's build the project. Succeed. And now I'll come back to the web browser and try to refresh this page. Okay, click on order in navigation. Here you can see under the order listing title page we have another hyperlink export order listing have just created. And now you go ahead to click on this hyperlink. Yeah, so here we have an issue. Okay, so the path of the report file is incorrect. So come back to the controller here. Review again. Refresh this page. Okay, click on the export order listing hyperlink again. Yeah, so you can see here we get the error message is the dataset does not support the system.nullable type. Okay, so back to the Visual Studio. Take a look into the shortcode here. For now we are using the order, so we should open the model order and order. Here you can see in the order model here we have a few property order date. There is a nullable data. So because for now the character report it does not support for new nullable value, so you have to remove this one. Save it and view it again. Okay, so now back to it and refresh again. Okay, click on the link. Yeah, so you can see for now we already get the file from the server into the PC. Go ahead to click on this file name so to open it. We have to select the PDF. It should be so I have just cleaned up my PC, so maybe don't have the PDF reader here for sheet reader. Okay, cool. Yeah, you can see here we have the data for the report displaying on the PDF file here. We have the column name, the data for a specific column. Okay, so now you can come back to open the report and edit it by adding some other field here. you can see here we have a special fields. So expand it, and you see here we have the pet number. I will deploy it here. You can change the order name. Payment type, customer, phone. Okay, status, payment type. We can make it smaller. And you can use the email, customer email. You can add more the text toolbox by text object. So order listing report. You can change the bow, the size of the phone. Okay. Build it and run it again. Okay, so let's try to no build and just run again. Here you can see for now we have the updated data. Adding new the page order page title, the page number. You can do format for bot. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I think that's all for today, and After you finish this video, you know how to use your character reports in your Visual Studio project by exporting the data from your system into the PDF file. Okay, so basically we have a lot of ways to export the data from your system into a PDF file. So you can refer to this video as an example of the simple way to export it. So maybe when you are working in your project, so the customer require you to work on the character report. So I hope this will helpful for you, and do let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later.